Dear viewers, greetings. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate images using Python. In the previous video, we extracted the frames from a video. Some frames may be duplicates since the video was recorded in a transit with the pauses at traffic lights, pedestrians crossings, or other stops, resulting in nearly identical images. To improve our dataset quality, we use Python to detect and remove these duplicate images, keeping only unique frames. First of all, we need to be sure we have these libraries installed. That's Pillow and imagehash. Let's talk about the script. The script is here, but also the link to the script is shared in the comment and in the description. What's in the script? The script set folder path. The script will define the folder containing the images and folder where duplicates will be moved. The code prepares folders. The code prepares folders. The script will create duplicates folder if it doesn't already exist. The code also identifies duplicates. The script iterates through all images in frames. Our frames have JPG, but even if there is any other image file, it will be checked. But the script is meant to skip all the files that are not images. Each image is opened and an average hash is generated to identify similar images. The code will move duplicates. If a duplicate is found, that's when an image with the same hash is found, it will be moved to duplicates folder. The original image remains in the frames folder, while the duplicates are moved and listed. Let's talk about the libraries that are used in this script. There is a library used called OS. We talked about this library earlier. It's gonna provide tools for interacting with the operating system, such as file and folder management. Pill from Pillow that will handle image processing tasks like opening, resizing, and manipulating images. Then imagehash will generate unique hashes for images, enabling easy comparison to identify duplicates. There is shutil. It's short for shell utilities. It will provide the tools for high-level operations commonly used in the shell scripting, like copying, moving, and deleting files and directories. So this is the code. These are the libraries we talked about. We started by setting the folders. That's the path to the folder where all the images are now, and we create this folder. This is the folder where found the duplicates will be moved in, and we're using the library OS and the method make jules to create is the duplicates folder, because the first folder frames exist with frames by now. Then we say array for image hashes and duplicates dictionary. Then in order to be able to detect images and non-images and work only with images and skip non-images, we have to set extensions. And this is always trying to list all the folders in like your file system, and through file system it defines image. If defines image that's not if define another file that's not an image, it will skip and continue. And this is where hashing happens. It will look at every picture and hash it according to the pixels and the characteristics of the image, and it will save the hash. And if an image with approximate hash is found, that's where it will detect it's that it's a duplicate, and it will then move it to the folder reserved to duplicate. This is what the code does. It's straightforward, and we can go run the code and see the result. We'll copy the code. I selected the code, I Control C, and I already have the code here. So what we're going to do now is to run the code, because I have it. For you need to create it using any editor you want. Then check the status now. What these are the images. So we currently have the video that we extracted frames from, and we have this file we used to, this is the script we used to extract frames, and this is the code that's going to fetch for duplicates and move them to the folder. We are not deleting them immediately, maybe later, but we need to be a little bit cautious, so anything goes wrong we can restore files back to the folder frames. Okay, so you can now run the code. So checking, that's right. It's taking long, but the folder frames has a lot of images. It's going through them and hashing every image in the background. Okay, which is have been hashed and duplicates identified, to start moving the duplicates to the duplicates folder. But before we close, shouldn't we check if there are files in duplicates? Yeah, these are the files in duplicates. 4 files have been found as duplicates. So see you in the next video.